Your WhatsApp account is suddenly banned. You see this message. This account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. But you didn't send any spam, right? Don't worry, this can happen to many people, even by mistake. In this video, I will show you what this message actually means, why WhatsApp disables accounts, and what you can do right now to fix it. When you see these messages, it means WhatsApp has permanently disabled your account for violating its term, usually due to what they consider spammy activity. But here is the thing, not all bans are justified. Sometimes automated systems make mistakes. Why it happens? Your account might get flagged for reasons like sending too many messages in a short time, using unauthorized third-party apps like GB WhatsApp, being reported by multiple users, sharing suspicious links or content. Even innocent behavior can trigger the ban if it looks automated or spam-like. What you can do to recover your account: first, open WhatsApp. You will see the ban message. Tap on Request a Review. Write a clear, polite appeal. Explain that your account was wrongly flagged and request a manual review. You may find this message in the video description or comments. Once you are done, click Submit. After submitting your request, WhatsApp will review your account. Reviews usually takes 24 hours. Keep checking WhatsApp to see if the ban is lifted. And I hope within 24 hours your account will be back.